In today's workforce and education landscape, cost of attendance, length of training, and job placement outcomes are top of mind. And there is exceptional opportunity for those who learn a skilled profession. For example, the industrial trades, which include fields like HVAC, electrical, and welding, are always in need of skilled workers to help keep America moving. As a result, more and more high school students and their families exploring college and career options are gravitating to modern career and technical education as a high-quality path to college and a career.
There's a great need for skilled trades in our country, and there's a huge deficit. And what we need to remember is that education is about occupation. And that's what trade schools, technical colleges, community colleges across the country are built for. What we offer is open and available for all people because people can come to us for whatever state in life they happen to be. We talk to folks who are looking for a career change. We also have people who have no college experience, whether they're coming right out of high school or went straight into occupation or to the military. We have people who are 90 years old who are coming back to us and they're completing their GED. They didn't finish high school, so we're a leg up for them to access education so that they can also enjoy a vibrant and healthy career that brings them satisfaction. That's the whole reason that we exist as educators in general. We want to answer that question, this is what I want to be when I grow up.
Established in 1961, Georgia Piedmont Technical College is committed to preparing students for successful careers in a dynamic global economy and driving workforce development in DeKalb, Newton, and Rockdale counties. GPTC offers over 100 degrees, diplomas, and certificates, works closely with industry partners to ensure graduates are equipped with the skills employers need, and has a 99% job placement rate.
The mission of Georgia Piedmont Technical College is workforce development. It's about how do we make sure that our business and industry partners get the employees that they need with the skill set that they need. Something we're really excited about is we think about our partners in logistics and transportation. It takes someone to understand how supply chains work. It takes drivers to make that go. We do that. Our middle name is essentially technical, and most people think of technical colleges as the trade school. Well, we do those things. Yes, we teach carpentry, we teach welding, we teach all those exciting careers that people associate with the trades, but we're technical. So we take what's known and we help people to apply that in a way. For instance, we're also training people for exciting careers in advanced manufacturing like semiconductor manufacturing. So our students will be learning on how to develop microchips. We're also thinking about emerging technologies that include electric vehicles. We have lots of partners in our area that we're thinking about how do we make sure your workforce has the skills to assemble these things. And so we want to make sure as a technical college that we're responding to the specific needs of each of those industries to make sure they have the workers that they need. And that's what we get passionate about. That's what we're excited about.
The teaching philosophy tends to be more of a collaborative philosophy, where you have students coming from all walks of life who have either had experience in the industry or haven't at all. And so they can kind of feed off of each other and learn different things. This is actually one of the first building automation programs in America. We kind of had a built relationship with industry partners such as Siemens, Johnson Controls, Trane. So we're able to get our ear to what the industry needs, and we can form our curriculum to meet those needs. The best part of my job is seeing the end result. It is very endearing to see them graduate and then they get jobs before they even graduate. People should look at technical colleges. One, because it's 2-year college and statistics show that you get way more money than 4-year colleges these days and immediate jobs. You can even get a job and go to college at these technical colleges. My class, we have evening classes. We are starting a new podcast that'll interconnect the students with the industry partners, so we're all in one community here at GPTC.
GPTC is preparing the next generation of skilled professionals to meet workforce demands and lead the future of American industry. Our students come from many walks of life and all demographics, but they share one goal: to launch a rewarding new career through hands-on training. We're transforming young lives and adding value to their communities.
I came to GPTC to become an optician. I fell in love with the optics, I fell in love with the glasses. I started asking questions and they told me about GPTC. I was trying to go to college for many years and I wasn't able. When I came here, it just felt was right to me. Here they helped me with the theory part. So I was very good with adjusting glasses, seeing prescription and all that. But when it was coming to like the technical part, like what was the definition of something, I read it and it wasn't click for me. The teachers were able to help me and to understand better. GPTC make it very easy for me. I went to other schools and it was always a problem. When I came here to GPTC, they opened opportunity for me that other schools weren't opening for me. I even won a scholarship. It felt like they were just happy to have me here. So if someone ever wants to do my degree or any other degree here in GPTC, I would say just go for it.
Technical colleges like Georgia Piedmont Technical College are critical to Georgia Power's success. We're growing at a tremendous rate, the fastest we've grown in probably my lifetime. The demands for skilled, safe workers are incredible. Programs like the Electrical Line Worker Apprenticeship Certification Program help create that pipeline of workers, introduces them to our industry, teaches them how to understand the safety aspects of our work, how to drive a commercial vehicle, and really exposes them to the rewarding work that we do. We've got so many opportunities at Georgia Power, jobs like line workers, the folks who are out building our infrastructure, restoring power after a significant weather event. Line workers on both the transmission and distribution system are in extremely high demand. We have a great partnership with Georgia Piedmont Technical College. We've been a member of their advisory board for a number of years. I'd encourage others in our industry in Georgia and the United States to find ways to partner with technical colleges. You can help build and shape a curriculum strictly for your workforce. They are hungry for partnerships with companies like Georgia Power and yours to develop the workforce of the future.
In the future, I see great opportunities for collaboration, whether that be from K-12. I see our businesses responding in a way that I haven't seen in my 25 years of technical education. They're saying, hey, can we come into the classroom? Can we talk about our business? Can we see what you're teaching students so that we can give input and inform how they're growing and learning so that when they get to the job, we know that they're prepared to perform those job skills. We guarantee our grade.